Good afternoon, everybody. So this afternoon, we're going to learn how to convert mixed number to improper fraction. But before we're going to start our lesson, let's have a review first. So last time, we've been discussing fractions. And we have the 5 vocabulary over here. We have number 1, numerator, denominator, over, whole, and fraction. What is a fraction, by the way? When we say fraction, a fraction is a number representing a part of a whole. Okay, and we have also the two parts of a fraction, numerator and the denominator. Okay, when we say numerator, it is the number on top of the line. And when we say denominator, it's just the opposite of the numerator, the number below the line. Okay, so let's take a look for this example. 1 over 2 or 1/2. Okay. The number on top of the line is called numerator, and the line is called over. The number below the line is called denominator. And how are we going to read this fraction? We have two ways on how we are going to read. 1 over 2, wherein we are going to read also the line, which is called over, right? So 1 over 2 or 1/2. Okay, so how to write and read a fraction? Again, we have the two ways on how to read and write a fraction. First way is this one, 3 over 4. Okay, read also the line. 3 over 4, 2 over 7, 1 over 4. If you are going to use the first way, okay, do not add th and s. But if you are going to use the second way, like for this, 3/4 or 3 over 4 or 3/4. Look at the difference between 1 over 4. 1 over 4 or 1/4. Okay, what is the difference between the two? In 1 over 4, fourth have no s. But in 3 over 4, 3/4 have s. Why? Why? Because the numerator, which is 3, is more than 2. While in 1 over 4, the numerator is just only 1. Therefore, you're not going to add s. Okay? So, like for example, in 2 over 7, 2/7. Because the numerator is 2, it's not 1. Simple. Just bear in mind that if the numerator is 1, do not add s. But if it's more than 1, that's the time you're going to add s. If you're going to use the second way of writing fraction in words. Okay? I hope that's clear. And what if the fraction is a mixed number or a mixed fraction? Okay, the same. 1 and 3 over 4. Or 1 and 3/4. Fourths have s because the numerator is 3. 2 and 1 over 7. 2 and 1 over 7 or 2 and 1/7 doesn't have s because the numerator is just 1. Okay, can you see the difference? Do not forget that one, because on your previous activity, some of you got wrong. You did not add s. And we have 3 types of fractions. First is we have the proper fraction. What is proper fraction? When we say a proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Look at the example. 2 over 4, 1 over 5, 7 over 10, 3 over 4. So all the numerators are smaller than the denominator. Okay, another type of a fraction is we have the improper fraction. When we say improper fraction, the numerator is equal or greater than the denominator. Like for example, 4 over 4. 4 is the same as the denominator, which is 4. So same numerator and same denominator. Another is 7 over 6. Okay, greater than the denominator. The numerator is greater than the denominator. 7 is greater than 6. 9 is greater than 7. Therefore, it's an improper fraction. Okay, and the last one is we have the mixed number or mixed fraction. Okay, so what is mixed number? Mixed number is a fraction that consists a whole number and a proper fraction. And which one is the whole number over here? 2 over 2 and 1 over 3, for example. Our whole number is 2. And a proper fraction 1 over 3. Okay? So those are the 3 types of a fraction. First, we have the proper fraction, improper fraction, and the mixed number or mixed fraction. Okay, now let's have our new lesson for today, which is how to convert mixed number to improper fraction. When we say convert, meaning change. Okay, convert meaning you're going to change mixed number into improper fraction. Okay, we have the 3 vocabs: convert, multiply, and then add. That's what I've said when we say convert, change, or simplify. Okay, so how we're going to convert mixed number into improper fraction? Okay, for example, if the fraction is 3 and 2 over 5, first step, you're going to multiply 5 over 3. So 3 multiplied by 5, and then add the answer you're going to add to the numerator, which is 2. So 3 times 5 is equal to 15 plus 2 equals 17. And the denominator, you just copy the denominator of the mixed number. So just copy 5. Okay? Example number 2, we have 2 and 1 over 9. Okay, we're going to convert it to improper fraction. Multiply 2 and 9. So 2 times 9 equals 18. Plus the numerator, which is 1, equals 19. And then carry the denominator, which is 9. So the answer is 19 over 9. Okay? So for more information, we're going to watch a short video clip.
So welcome to my video on changing mixed numbers into improper fractions. So here we have a mixed number of 2 3/4. Anytime you mix a whole number with a fraction, it is called a mixed number. And we want to change that into an improper fraction. And the first thing I want to point out is that when you change a mixed number into an improper fraction, the denominator always stays the same. So since we have a denominator of 4 in our mixed number, then we're going to have a denominator of 4 in our improper fraction. And the only thing that we need to do in the numerator is multiply the denominator by the whole number, and then we need to add everything to our numerator. So once again, we need to multiply the denominator of 4 times the whole number of 2, and then we need to add all of that to the numerator of 3. So then in our numerator, we have 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 3. And in our denominator, we still have our 4. And 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 over 4. So now we have an improper fraction because our numerator is greater than our denominator, and our final answer is 11 over 4.
Okay, so that's all about the converting mixed number into improper fractions. Do you have any question? Okay, I hope everybody got the proper way on how to convert mixed numbers into improper fraction. So first thing you just need to do is multiply the denominator to the whole number. And then the answer you're going to add to the numerator. So whatever is the answer, that will serve as your numerator, and then carry the denominator. So let's answer your workbook. For example, number 1, 6 and 5 over 7. So we are going to multiply first the denominator and the whole number. So 7 times 6, how much? We got 42 plus 5 equals 47. Okay, so 47 will be our numerator, and then we're going to carry the denominator, which is 7. So the answer is 47 over 7. Okay, so your activity, you are going to continue answering 2 until 9. This is on your workbook, page 66. So answer your workbook on page 66. Convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. Okay, I repeat. Answer your workbook on page 66. Convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. After that one, your next activity is to answer this one in your notebook. So you got 2 activity today. First is your workbook, and then second is your worksheet. Okay, this worksheet, you are going to write it on your notebook. Write first the fractions and then your answers on your notebook. Okay? The same, convert the following mixed number into improper fraction. And don't forget to write your name and the date today. If there are any questions, you can just drop in our line. So that's all for today. I hope everything is cleared.